On this week's show, we'll be showing you how to make an assortment of dips. The dips we'll be showing you how to make include hummus and chili cheese dip. First, we have hummus. I bet you didn't know that every 1 cup of hummus has 15 grams of fiber. Here's Ava J with that hummus. Looks delicious. Thank you, AJ. Next up, we have bean and cheese dip. There may be many variations on how to make the next dip, but today we're going to be showing my way on how to make it. Here's bean and cheese dip.
First, add 1 packet of ground beef. Then add chili seasoning. And mix it in. Then add 1 fluid ounce can black beans and mix that up. Add in 1/3 cup of your favorite salsa and once again mix it up. Then add 1 can of nacho cheese. Finally stir it up and dip with your favorite chips. Enjoy!
That's all we have for this week's Munchie Monday. I hope you join us next week for more of our recipes. And tune in tomorrow for At Home with TJTV. Stay safe, Jag.